Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to showing you how to crochet this super easy magic ring. Let's do it. Tie the yarn around your fingers like this. Then grab your crochet hook, pull the yarn from the other side and pull it again through the loop like this. And this is how magic ring looks like. Then chain 2, 1, 2. And now we can start doing 15 double crochets. Yarn over, go through the ring, you grab the yarn, 3 pulls in your hook, you grab the yarn again and pull it through the first 2, grab again, pull it to the remaining 2. This is our first double crochet. So once again, grab the yarn over, go through the magic ring, pull the yarn, you have 3 loops, you grab the yarn, again pull it through the first 2 and grab again and pull it through the remaining 2. In the end, you have 16 pieces. So here on how done 15 double crochets. And now we can easily tie the ring by pulling this piece of yarn. As you can see, it automatically makes it tighter. We can just finish this ring by connecting both sides by doing a slip knot. We will be doing it here. Go through this pull the yarn to chain you had on your hook. Now just chain 1, pull some yarn and cut it off with your scissors. And just tighten it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.